this is my PYP exhibition journal 2020 to 2021. This is the inquiry process, 4 pillars, then the accession questions, third prosperal plan, fourth explore and research, 5 collect learning evidence, 6 create authentic piece, and 7th public display of understanding. The inquiry cycle. This is the inquiry cycle. Determine your force. 2 start with an essential question. 3 brainstorm questions. 4 brainstorm subtopics. 5 select a subtopic. 6 access prior knowledge. 7 identify wonderings. 8 research. 9 make cross circular connections. 10 perform, reflect and revise. This is the 10 phases of the inquiry cycle. These are the 4 pillars I was talking about. The 4 pillars of inquiry. 1 is passion, explore a passion. 2nd is aim for a goal. 3rd is delve into your curiosities. And last 4th one is take on a new challenge. So these are the steps. So this is step number 1. And let's move on to step number 2. Color symbol image. This color, so I chose the color blue. This color captures the PYP exhibition because blue is the color of calmness and confidence. Next, symbol. This symbol captures the essence of PYP exhibition because it means you're coming up with something new. Image. This image captures the essence of PYP exhibition because our growth is very important for our learning, and through our growth we learn new things. Take a bow. So this, I bow to make my journal an extraordinary piece of work. Essential agreements. These are the essential agreements. 1 maintain academic honesty throughout the process of PYP exhibition. 2 prepare the work samples in class and show ownership of work. 3 avoid the terms and coordination of the PYP exhibition. 4 use sustainable practices. 5 participate, collaborate and contribute effectively. 6 reflect throughout the process of the PYP exhibition. 7 complete a learning journal on time every day. 8 respect the work and opinions of my peers. 9 participate time management and self management. 10 select problems or issues with local or global significance. My passion is your interest in passion issue and why you choose it. My passion is creating new apps like an alcohol paid by number. I created a few pictures to color. I choose this as I get creative, as I create something new, and I also get to share my ideas with the world. I also feel like it's signification when I express myself on paper. Group members. My mentor is Kirti Pandey. Group members are Siona Soni, Rihanna Kohli, me, that is me, Prishti, Nidhi, Avika Bansal, Arpita, Twisha Vinod, Evan Jain, Naisa, Samarth and Venil. The group central idea. The group central idea is pollution group, human activity and advancing technology. Central idea. Did you write one? Is it a local or global issue? As much as I know about pollution, is definitely pollution is definitely a global problem, as pollution is happening in all countries, not just in India. IB elements and ATL skills. ATL skills are research skills, communication skills, and thinking skills actually. Learner profiles, learner profile: inquirer, knowledgeable, communicator, reflective, and open-minded. ATL skills: thinking skills and research skills and communicative skills. I already did that. IB learner profiles. So these are the IB learner profiles: knowledgeable, reflective, inquirer, open-minded, and communicators. Lines of inquiry: the local and global issues, the 100 languages in which we can express our learning, taking meaningful action, and staging of exhibition. Lines of inquiry: responsibility towards green revolution, how much human activities lead to pollution around the world. Primary and secondary resources. So these are the primary and secondary resources: skit, website, interview, video, poster, PPT, working model. Interview I wrote it on again on mistake, and there is no working model in it. Newspaper article, booklet. I've also done a typing error and wrote working model. There is no working model in it. It was a typing issue. A working model kept coming, so there is no working model that we have done. So okay, key concepts: responsibility. This is our key concept: responsibility. Personal connect. We had a guest lecture by Mr. Vikas Samani, who is the founder of Paul and Mike company. The guest lecture was about organic farming and chocolate, and he asked different questions. The world will surely be sustainable if we start to progress. It was a fabulous and informative experience to attend the guest lecture by Mr. Vikas. Global Connect. So these are just some links in which include our Global Connect. Write about learning process. LOI1 was pretty fun to do, as there was a skit. Come up with the lines, and we got it was challenging to come up with the lines and who got what role. When we did website, it got a little challenging, but it all worked out, and the interview was amazing. We finished LOI1. I loved the way it was. How did you find the information you were looking for? Interview, survey, experiment, articles, etc. We found the information through websites, Google, interviews, and book. What was challenging? How did you solve challenges? It was challenging finding information and checking it was correct, but we did it through multiple websites and books. And doing a few of the resources we choose were a challenge. What ATL skills did you use the most? Are there skills you should work on more? So for sure we used communication skills the most. Not only communications but also research skills. What did you learn about yourself during the exhibition? I learned that I am more active in doing stuff in exhibitions.